Welcome! In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to use this device as a monitor for another PC. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then select System and scroll down to Optional Features. Now, in Optional Features, click View Features and search for Wireless Display feature. Once you find it, hit the checkbox next to it and click Download. And once you download and install it, you will see it on this list. As you can see, for me it's already downloaded and installed, so I can go to the next step, which is going to System, then scrolling down to Project into this PC option. Here, change this value to either Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on Secure Networks. Now, I forgot to mention that both of the devices have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network in order for this to work. So, if you're connected to a secure Wi-Fi network, select Available Everywhere on Secure Networks. Otherwise, click Available Everywhere. Now, if you want the projection to be available even when your device is unplugged from a power source, switch this toggle to the left, and then we can switch to another PC. Now, on another PC you have to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Click Connect next to the network that your other device is connected to. Input security key and click Next. Okay, now that we are connected, all you have to do is use a combination of Windows plus K keys. And as you can see, here is the laptop. Here's our DELL G15 laptop. Sometimes it doesn't show on 5G networks, so for better connectivity use 2.4 gigahertz networks. All you have to do is click right here, then on your G15 laptop you have to click OK, and after that everything that happens on the screen of this other laptop will be projected to our DELL G15. Let's see how it works. Let's try to start a YouTube video.
Hi everybody.
As you can see, the video is projecting to another PC, to our DELL G15 pretty smoothly. So basically, that's it. I really hope that this video helped you. But before I end this video, let me show you how to disconnect. The one way is that you can use Windows K combination again on this laptop, then select Disconnect, or you can simply close the window on your DELL, and this will also stop projection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.